Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 6, aggregate. Aggregate has two main pronunciations. We have one for the noun and other forms, aggregate, and one for the verb, aggregate. American pronunciation, noun, aggregate, aggregate, aggregate. British pronunciation,
Aggregate, aggregate, aggregate.
and American pronunciation, verb, aggregate, aggregate, aggregate. British pronunciation, verb,
Aggregate, aggregate, aggregate.
meaning. Aggregate means the total amount of something after all parts are added together. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are on aggregate and an aggregate of. Example sentence, aggregate noun. They purchased an aggregate of 3,000 shares in the company. Example sentence number 2, aggregate verb. We made estimates using the aggregated data. Now you can use aggregate confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.